sadness is a part of everyone's life. Your life can't be perfect at all points of time. Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Welcome to another off day in my life. Today is 19th September. Today is Tuesday and it's my off. I know we don't get off on weekends. It's usually, we get off on weekdays. Lately, I've started becoming a person who likes to stay at home. When I was young, I never used to like staying at home, but I've become that person who likes to stay at home most of the time. Yes, I do go out sometimes, but then mostly I like to stay indoors only. Also, to watch my last video where I was sad, and it was a video from being sad to being happy. I just finished taking shower. I'm going to do a little bit of skincare. I'm applying hyaluronic acid. I usually apply salicylic acid serum at night, but today I'm applying hyaluronic acid serum. Just 2 steps today. I'm applying moisturizer. Tomorrow I'm going to Chennai. I have Chennai layover in the afternoon, so I think in the morning I'll wake up and I'll continue the vlog. I did not have anything in the afternoon. For lunch, so I'm really hungry. I'm gonna make chana right now for dinner. I will read the book for some time. I finished more than half. So far it's going good and I'm really loving this book. As I said earlier also in my last video, this is all about self-love only, and it's to appreciate yourself, your physical beauty as well, and also it talks about inner peace, not just externally but internally as well. Also, while reading the book, I've been writing a lot of things, the points which I really like. These are the points from this book itself. So I'm just going to read out something. Okay, here it goes. Remember, there might be many things in your world that are going wrong, yet there are also many things that are going right. The more you count your blessings, the more blessings you will have to count. So these the points which I really like. I'm just writing it down. Okay, I finished reading this topic. Compare only with yourself, and here it talks a lot about social media, that how we compare ourselves, our lives from the people we see on social media. We compare our lives with them, and this is not good because people only show their best side on social media and not their bad side or worse side. And I think it's very important to be real, and that's the reason in my last video I uploaded about how I was sad and I had a breakdown, and I mentioned all of it because it's very important that you be real as possible on social media. So yeah, my channel is all about that, also being real. Sadness is a part of everyone's life. Your life can't be perfect at all points of time. For example, today I'm happy, that's why I'm showing only happiness in this video. For example, last video I was not happy and I showed that as well. And for me, I want to be as real as possible and not try to fake or try to show which is not me. Outside my home there is one departmental store, so I got some veggies, I got milk as well, and I got Maggi masala, coriander powder. I got this cold coffee also, which is in liquid form. I've not tasted it yet. I hope it's good. And I got some eggs also. My dinner is ready. Next morning I had home standby, and somehow I had thought that I would not get any flight, but I did get, and I got Chennai layover. And this is the end of the day. Thank you so much for watching.